Hi, Bill Brooks here, CPA in Boulder, Colorado, here to help you with all your tax needs. Today I'm going to talk about if you get a letter from the IRS requesting information regarding a deduction on your income tax return. What do I do? All right, here's some reminders. If you do have a question, let's say, and you feel as if you're being treated unfairly, take advantage of Taxpayer Advocate, which you can find on irs.gov, and look up your state and the phone number will be there. It is an agency of the Internal Revenue Service, keep in mind, but they can be very helpful many times. And of course, consider getting competent tax help, CPA, enrolled agent, or an attorney in certain situations. Keep in mind too, the biggest reason people are getting letters are in relation to the deduction for auto miles. Many people are not keeping good records of their auto mile deduction, so try to keep contemporaneous records of the date, the place, and the business conducted. They really will be invaluable in an IRS audit. IRS penalty notices are often wrong and should be challenged whenever possible. Consider writing a letter requesting abatement of the penalty due to reasonable cause. You have rights, not the IRS. So get familiar with publication number 1. You have the right to know why your tax return was selected for an audit. They should always give you an honest answer. The IRS should have nothing to hide. Don't assume the IRS knows anything about you except what was reported on your income tax return. Ask questions during the audit. Be vocal about any disagreements. Don't be a passive observer. Get involved and use all the allotted time to your advantage. A fast audit often favors the IRS. Don't discuss your business or personal tax situation with anyone, including friends, family members, and business associates. Take advantage of any chances you have to settle the case with the IRS. They want to get on to the next audit. Use IRS management to resolve any audit issues when the examiner is being unreasonable. File a protest of any 30-day letter to have a chance to resolve the case with an appeals officer. When all else fails and there's enough money riding on it, consider filing a petition with the U.S. Tax Court. Of course, you would most likely need competent legal help. Don't volunteer information, but cooperate completely and provide only what is requested. That is, don't volunteer information. It's better to use the actual expense numbers rather than the rounded numbers. Be prepared. Get notarized affidavits of travel, the date, place, business conducted if your records are scanty. Don't extend the statute of limitations with regard to assessing additional tax unless you directly benefit. It's usually to your advantage to delay collection activities as long as you can without ignoring collection notices. Most collection activities resolve with an installment plan, up to 5 years to pay, especially if under $25,000. You will always benefit more if you file an original tax return rather than accept an IRS substitute return. Remember, the IRS always checks for unreported income during an audit. Keep all receipts and other business records for at least 6 years. Bankruptcy should be considered in some cases. Seek professional help. Always have an attorney deal with an IRS special agent. Well, I hope this was useful. If I can be of any assistance, please give me a call, 303-447-1626. Thank you.